Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. This is going to be my nighttime skincare routine 2018, and I'm repping my fiance's shirt. Ay. Okay, so this is my skin. This is raw, unfiltered. There's my little zit. Hello! I'm starting out with my Blemish Control by Equate. I do prefer the St. Ives brand better, but either one will work. I do a facial scrub pretty much every single night to reduce texture and keep my pores clean and clear. I also take this time to go ahead and scrub my lips, and I do this in a circular motion for about a minute to a minute and a half. Alright, so in one important step I always do when I rinse my skin, I always use a paper towel to dry my face, and I never use the same one. Now I'm going into my mask, and I'm using the Origins face mask. I love this mask. You don't need a lot, put a very thin layer, and I will show you why a little bit later in the video. But I love this mask for clearing my skin. It does sometimes give me a little bit more breakouts than I like, just because it brings all of my pimples to the surface, but my skin looks so good after I use this. I'm adding a little bit more in my trouble areas, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so here is my face mask. I'm going to let that dry and sit for 25 minutes, and I'm being super goofy. Okay, so now it's dry, and as you can see, there is one area right there that I put a little bit too much and it didn't dry all the way, so that's why you need to put a very thin layer. Go ahead and wash your face in circular motions and rinse really well, and dang, look how good my skin looks from using that mask. Now, of course, I'm drying again with my paper towel, brand new, and that is my skin freshly washed. Now I'm taking my Unbleached Korean cotton pads. I get these from Amazon, and they're shipped from literally Korea or China. I'm using my Dickinsons Witch Hazel, and I absolutely love this step. I love to tone. I tone my face twice a day, and I never skip it. And I also do my neck. And right here I'm just air drying, and now I'm using Zap Zit because I want to zap that zit. So I'm just rubbing that on my chin, and then I'm using my Ordinary skin serum, face serum, sorry, and this is from Sephora. This is a new brand. I really love this brand. This looks like a lot, but it's really not. I actually rub this into my skin. I do not pat this. This is one of the face serums that works better when you rub it, and I also take that down my neck. So I know it looks like a lot, but I take it all the way down my neck. Okay, so it's rubbed into my skin, and now I want it to absorb in my face for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm moving on to my Body Mary night cream. I love this stuff. There's a bunch of stuff in this, all organic, like seaweed and stuff. It's from Amazon, and I've been using this face cream for about 3 years now, so this is my favorite nighttime cream. Now I am putting on my Belief Under Eye Cream, the Water Bomb Aqua one, the newest one, and I just love this to hydrate my under eyes. Next up, I am rubbing the Virgin Marula oil from Drunk Elephant, and I am pressing that into my skin and kind of doing a rubbing, and I also take this time to rub it on my lips as well. So again, just warm it up in your fingers and press into the skin. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we have it. This is the end. So here is my final look. I hope you guys really like this. This is my nighttime skincare routine. This works for me. This keeps my skin smooth, glowing, and supple. And yeah, besides my occasional stress from stress breakouts, that's pretty much it. My skin's pretty much good to go. Alright, so I'm going to be goofy in this last clip. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe on your way out. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassing. Let me stop right now.